Good morning, class. You all are welcome to our first geography lesson for Form 1. And we'll begin the lesson with the meaning of geography. What is geography? Geography is simply the study of the Earth's landscapes or the earth landforms, peoples, creatures, and the environment. This is illustrated in a diagram below. From the diagram below, when we say geography is the study of the environment, it means geography studies plants and trees, mosses, flowers, fungi, and weeds. Also, when we talk of geography being the study of the Earth's landscapes or the Earth's landforms, we mean geography studies water, lakes, rivers, glacier, ocean, land, hills, plains, mountains, and valleys. Again, when we talk of geography being the study of the Earth's creatures, we mean geography studies birds, reptiles, insects, and amphibians. And lastly, when we talk of geography being the study of peoples, it means geography also contains the study of people's lives. We will now go to the branches of geography. There are two main branches of geography, which are, we'll begin with the first, physical geography. From the word physical, it means it's a geography that deals with our environment. For example, we have mountains, lakes, hills, plains, and basins. And the second is human geography. From the word human, it means this is a type of geography that deals with human habitation, human population, and human activities. From here, we'll now go to the sub-branches of physical geography. There are 5 main sub-branches of physical geography. We'll begin with the first, which is climatology. From the word climatology, it means climatology is gotten from the word climate. Therefore, climatology is simply the study of the different types of climates. And it is also good for us to know that climatology deals with the average atmospheric condition of a place. And climatology deals with the very different types of climate. That is, climatology is the study of the different types of climate. For example, climatology is the study of the tropical climate. We'll now go to the next, which is geomorphology. Geomorphology is simply the study of the different types of landforms which are found on the Earth's surface. For example, we have hills, valleys, mountains, and basins. We'll now move to the next, which is meteorology. Meteorology is simply the scientific study of weather, and it is good for us to know that meteorology deals with the exact atmospheric condition of a place, such as temperature, that is, whether the place is hot or cold, precipitation, such as in the form of rainfall, snow, or dew, and meteorology also deals with sunshine. We'll now move to the next, which is biogeography. Biogeography is the study of plants, animals, and especially their distribution over time and space. We'll now move to the fifth and the last sub-branch of physical geography, which is hydrology. Hydrology is also the study of the occurrence and distribution of water on the Earth's surface. We'll now look at the sub-branches of human geography. We'll begin with the first, which is population geography. Population geography is the study of the number, composition, and distribution of human beings on the Earth's space. We'll now go to the next, which is settlement geography. Settlement geography is the study of human land and any form of human habitation. For example, the kind of housing pattern that is being constructed in a particular place. Therefore, settlement geography deals with the housing pattern of a place, be it linear, cluster, or dispersed housing pattern. We'll now move to the next, which is economic activity. Economic activity is the study of producing, distributing, and consuming of goods and services. Economic activity is also anything which is being done by man to earn a living. The fifth, the last sub-branch of human geography is area study. Area study is the study of human and physical activities of specific region. For example, the main human activity of the people living at the foot of Mount Cameroon is agriculture. And this is because the area has a fertile alluvial soil which supports agriculture. And this is as a result of earth tremor, that is, as a result of earthquake which brings fertile and good materials to the foot of the mountain which supports agriculture. After looking at the definition of geography, the two main branches of geography and the two sub-branches of geography, which are human and physical, we'll now look at the importance of geography. One, to develop a mental map of our region. Here, we see that it is good to study geography so we can develop a mental map of the country in which we live, the community in which we live, or the area in which we live. To understand the physical systems. It is also good to study geography because it helps us to understand the physical system that affects our everyday life. For example, wind, the earth and sunshine relationship, climate change, precipitation. To understand the geography of the past. It is also good for us to study geography because it helps us to understand the geography of the past. For example, when we study geography, it helps us to know the various processes that occurred in the past that gave rise to some features we see on the Earth's surface today. For example, fold mountains, volcanic mountains, and volcanic lakes. It is also important to study geography because geography helps us to learn the location of places and their physical characteristics. Geography also helps us to understand how geography has helped to change people, places, and the environment. Geography also helps us to understand and look for solutions for problems the world is facing. For example, problems like climate change and global warming. It is also good to study geography because geography helps in selecting sites for businesses and industries, and this is with the use of the Geographic Information System, which is commonly known as the GIS. It helps us to locate places which will be good for businesses and industries. Thanks for listening.